Hi all, hope you have gone through my previous lesson on setting up your mind. So if you remember, I told you in my previous lesson how to set up your mind so that you can make use of this C programming video series to master C programming in detail. So if you are ready, let's dive into the next lesson. So in this lesson, I'm going to discuss few generic programming terms like what is programming, what is a programming language, and what is the difference between programming language and binary language. So this lesson has nothing to do with C language in particular, but rather I'm just going to cover these topics in general so that from next lesson I would be, starting with C programming, right? So having said that, let's quickly get into the topic. So the first topic is what is programming, right? So programming is nothing but an art of talking to the computer, or it's an art of giving instructions to a computer so that the computer can accomplish certain tasks for us. So the task could be as simple as adding two numbers, or it could be as complex as sending rockets to space. No matter whatever is the task, if you want to talk to a computer, then you have to do programming, right? So programming is an art of talking to a computer, or it's an art of giving instructions to a computer to achieve certain task. Having said that, the next topic is what do you mean by a programming language? Now, as I told you, programming is nothing but talking to a computer, isn't it? But now, to talk to a computer, we cannot use a language that we normally use with our friends or family. Like, you cannot talk to a computer in English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Spanish, German. You cannot use all these languages because computers don't understand that, isn't it? So the only language that the computer understands is programming language. So what is a programming language? A language designed by humans so that they can use that language to talk to the computer is called as a programming language, right? And those programming languages include C, C++, Java, Python, C Sharp, etc. Sometimes programming languages are also called as high level languages. Therefore, programming languages are the languages that you got to use as a programmer to convey your ideas or thought process to the computer so that the computer can accomplish your task, right? So having said that, there is again a very famous question that students always get confused with, right? So that is, what is the difference between a programming language and a binary language, isn't it? I just now told you that computers understand programming language. That is not completely true. Okay, it is only partially true. Okay, it means that computers don't understand programming language. It means we as programmers use programming language to convey our ideas or to talk to the computer. But actually speaking, computers will only understand binary language, as you can see on the screen over here, right? So computers can only understand binary language. Binary language are nothing but zeros and ones, okay? And the problem here is that we being human beings, programmers being human beings, we cannot talk in binary language. We cannot talk to the computer by using zeros and ones. You cannot talk to the computer saying 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. You cannot talk to the computer like this in binary language, right? It is very complicated, it is very difficult. So that is the reason programmers designed something called as programming languages or high level languages like C, C++, Java, Python, C Sharp, etc. So what happens here is that we understand that, as I just now told you, computers understand binary language, but we cannot speak in binary language, and that is why we designed something called as programming language. But now, to convey our ideas, we speak in a language that is comfortable for us. That is, using high-level languages like C, C++, Java, and Python, Python and C Sharp and etc. But if I want to convey my idea, which have been written in these high-level languages, to a computer in binary language, then there is a need of a tool or an intermediate person who can actually convert that high-level language into binary language, and that tool is actually called as a compiler. Therefore, programming language is a computer language that human beings speak, that is programmers speak. Okay, because computers don't understand those high level languages, we make use of a tool called as a compiler to convert our high level language or the code that we have written in high level language into binary language. There is nothing but zeros and ones, right? So binary language is the actual language that the CPU of your computers understand, and programming languages are those high level languages that we as human beings, programmers, write, or we write code in programming languages. Okay, so that because we don't understand binary languages, or it becomes very difficult for programmers to speak in binary languages. So to convert from programming language into binary language, we make use of a tool called as a compiler. So this is the difference between your programming language and binary language. Hope you got some basic idea about what is programming language, and what is the difference between programming language and binary language. Okay, so in the next lesson, I would start giving you an introduction about C programming language. And if you feel that you really learned something new in this lesson, if you like this video, then thanks for watching, and do not forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon. Having said that, meet you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you. Love you all so much.